Hi guys, today I want to talk about stock footage. So these are videos that you may buy to use in your own creative projects. And you can buy these videos from websites like these for these kind of prices. And if you're wondering what type of videos I'm talking about, it's everyday videos of everyday life, just like the ones on the screen. The only difference is that these video clips are being sold on the stock footage websites. And as you can see, the first one, £35, and the other two, £100 each. And I don't think that there's anything particularly special about these images, these videos. Sorry. I think you can take these on your mobile phone, or even if you have a better camera, it's not something that you need a lot of technical expertise for. And if you look within your own photo and video collections, you'll probably see stuff like this of the same sort of quality, especially with this day and age and the technology that we have in our fingertips, within our smartphones and consumer cameras. These kind of clips are possible, and you can sell them at these kind of prices. So Shutterstock are the only one where I can see the pricing, so the commission level that you will get. And what they've done is they've split it into different levels corresponding to the number of assets or videos that you've uploaded. So if you look here, level 1 means up to 10 videos uploaded, you get 15% of revenue. And what this looks like is as per this chart. So as you can see, if you sell a video for £30 on your level 1, you get £4.50. If you're on level 2, you get £7.50, and it goes all the way up to level 6. Level 6 being the highest, so you get 40%. So anything that you sell, you get 40%. And yeah, I've not checked how much, if you can price these videos yourself or whether they select it for you. But I did see on the websites that some are going for £300. So if you do manage to sell something for £300 and you're on level 6, that's £120 that you'll earn for people buying that video. Yes, the lion's share does go to the stock footage website, but they are providing the platform for you to sell. So these are 4 videos that I have in my video collection that I've made during my travels, and for the remainder of this video I'm going to see if I can put these online and sell them. So I'm going to select Shutterstock as the first platform to upload to, and then I'm going to do iStock Photo, which is owned by Jetty Images, and I'm going to go through the process and see what happens. So the first thing to do is to set up a contributor account. You can go to the website as you can see on the screen, or if you go to the main Shutterstock website, you can go to the bottom and look under contributor, and you just click on a link and set up the account. I went to do this and realized that in 2002, which is quite funny, I actually had set up an account and tried to submit some pictures or videos which failed miserably. So I don't know if they ask any other questions before you sign up. And once your account is ready, they give you instructions on how to upload your videos. And if you're not that tech savvy, it may seem quite difficult, but it really isn't. And I'll show you how to do that. You simply download a bit of software called FileZilla, which you can find on Google search, and then you just follow these instructions. So this is FileZilla. So what you do is in the host, you put in ftp.shutterstock.com. Username, you type in the username you've got through this website, and then the password for Shutterstock, and then you just click on Quick Connect. And then what you've got is your 2 panes. The one on the left is what's on your machine, your PC, and on the right is the Shutterstock website. And what you need to do is just drag the items that you want across into the right hand side, just like this. Drop it in there, and then it will automatically do the upload to the Shutterstock website, and that's all you need to do. Just let it run and finish. And if all goes well, when you go back to the Shutterstock contributor screen, you'll see your 4 videos, or these are my 4 videos that I've uploaded. And the next step is to provide more information against each one. So if you select the checkbox for each video thumbnail, and then you start filling out keywords. So keywords tell people what to search for to find your video. So for my first one, for example, I'm going to think of words which describe the video, such as waves, beach, water, pebble beach, that kind of thing. And you do that for each of your videos, just so that people know what to search to find your video. And once that's done, you should see your video go into the pending tab. So you'll see at the top you've got, it says to submit, pending, reviewed. So it'll go into pending. That is where Shutterstock moderators will look at the videos to make sure they're okay, and then it'll come back as reviewed, and then you can go in to ensure that everything is fine. If all is good, then they should be live on the website. If not, then we'll have to relook at the messages and see what we can do. So that's it for Shutterstock. I'm going to talk now about iStock Photo and the process for uploading. So with iStock Photo, they ask you to download their app. So this app is called Contributed by Getty Images. You need to download it from your iPhone or your Android phone. And once you've done that, from the app itself, it will ask you to submit more than 3 YouTube links of some of your videos. So you have to upload your best videos. So I uploaded my 4 videos onto YouTube and submitted the links. And a few hours later, I got approved. And this is the email which I received. So you click on the create my profile, and that completes your application. And those videos that you uploaded to YouTube, you now have to reload them into iStock Photo with keywords and descriptions as with Shutterstock. And now it goes into a queue for those moderators to have a look. Actually, one thing which I forgot to mention is that with any videos having people in them, so you can see the video where I've got my daughter running, for each person that's in the video, you need something called a model release form. This is a signed consent form from any person who is in the video to say that they are aware and approve that they are in the video. And for my daughter, I sign on her behalf as her guardian. There is also a property release form, and this is if you filmed your video in a particular location which may be restricted. You need to ensure that the property owners have given you permission through also a form. And these consent forms, templates, are readily downloadable on both Shutterstock and iStock Photo. So just have a search for the release forms and you'll get the blank ones to fill in. And that's it for this video. I will do another video once the pending videos have been approved. I'm still thinking we need to set the rates for each video, so we need to look at that. Plus, if there may be messages once the videos have been reviewed. But until then, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall see you soon.